You need some help installing BlueDevil products? I got you covered. Let's go. Hey, welcome back to the BlueDevil Products Garage. Now, BlueDevil Power Steering Stop Leak is a great product. It works to restore dried, cracked, and shrunken rubber seals and permanently seals leaks in your power steering system. It's really safe and really simple to use. So, with your vehicle off, you want to locate your power steering reservoir. Now, you want to remove the cap, but before you do that, you may want to wipe it down just to make sure no debris, road grime, or particulates get inside the reservoir and/or pump. Now you just proceed to pour about 1/3 of the bottle into your reservoir. It's simple. It's real important not to overfill your system though, so do pour with caution. Replace the cap, close the hood, and start driving. Now the leak could take a couple hours of drive time to actually seal up. It doesn't have to be a continuous drive. For extreme leaks, it may be 2 days of drive time. So if leaks persist, you may want to add a second application, but BlueDevil revitalizes leaking seals to their original condition as it circulates throughout the system. So there you go. Drive your life and live leak-free. We'll see you next time. If you have more specific questions regarding this installation or any installation, contact the BlueDevil Products Tech Team at 1-888-863-0426 or online at gobdp.com.